The geopolitical situation in the Middle East, as of March 25, 2026, has entered an increasingly complex and dangerous phase. As the intensity of the conflict between Iran, the United States, and Israel continues to rise. Over the past 24 hours, a series of military strikes, diplomatic maneuvers, and global repercussions have evolved rapidly and unpredictably. Waves of airstrikes and missile attacks remain the defining feature of the escalation. Israel has reportedly launched further strikes on several strategic targets in Iran, including military installations and sites suspected of being linked to missile programs. In response, Iran has intensified its use of drones and medium-range missiles targeting Israeli territory as well as U.S. military bases in the Gulf region. This level of intensity indicates that both sides are not merely defending themselves, but are actively attempting to shift the balance of power on the ground. The involvement of the United States has broadened the conflict into a more global dimension. Washington is reported to have reinforced its military presence in the region by deploying additional aircraft carriers, air defense systems, and strategic forces. These measures are aimed at protecting U.S. interests and its allies while sending a strong signal to Iran. However, despite this military buildup, the U.S. government is also trying to contain escalation by limiting strikes on certain energy-related targets to prevent a wider global crisis. Meanwhile, diplomatic efforts continue, albeit under conditions of tension and uncertainty. The United States, along with several international mediators, is pushing to establish a peace negotiation framework. The proposal includes a ceasefire, limitations on Iran's nuclear activities, and guarantees for regional security. However, Iran has taken a firm stance, rejecting claims of direct negotiations and emphasizing that any talks must include recognition of its sovereignty and compensation for damages incurred from attacks. On the other hand, Israel maintains an aggressive military posture. The Israeli government has stated that operations will continue until threats from Iran and its allied networks are fully neutralized. Tensions have also escalated along the Lebanese border, where Iran-backed armed groups have increased attacks on Israeli positions. This development reinforces concerns that the conflict is no longer confined to two countries but is at risk of expanding into a broader regional war. The global impact of the conflict is becoming increasingly significant. One of the most critical developments is the disruption of global energy supply routes, particularly around the Strait of Hormuz. Rising tensions in this strategic corridor have driven up global oil prices and heightened fears of an energy crisis. Several countries have already begun taking emergency measures, including releasing strategic oil reserves and diversifying energy supply routes beyond the energy sector. Global financial markets are also experiencing high volatility. Currency values, commodity prices, geopolitical uncertainty, and stock indices across various investors are shifting towards safer assets, while developing nations are facing increased economic pressure due to rising. Countries are fluctuating sharply in response to energy costs and disruptions in global supply chains. Amid these developments, the role of international organizations has become increasingly crucial. The United Nations, UN, and other global powers continue to call for de-escalation and the opening of dialogue channels. However, there are still no strong indications that the parties involved are ready to significantly reduce tensions.